Maraming salamat, Director Grace Padilla. Palakpakan natin ang ating Manila Health Director, Chief Dr. Grace Padilla, and concurrent Director of Hospital ng Maynila at sa kanyang mga staff and doctors and other medical frontliners. Palakpakan natin sila. Alam po niyo, yung Hospital ng Maynila naging puntahan ng tao-bayan. Lalo na nung unang termino natin, nagulat sila na akala nila private hospital, yung hospital lang Maynila. That's why we continue to maintain yung pagbalik natin. At binabanggit niya pong renovation ng emergency room. The same thing that we did with the hospital na Sampaloc is to create, I don't know what word I can use, viable or maaliwalas na working space for our medical frontliners and to our patients. At natutuwa ako dahil for so many months now, since inumpisahan natin buhayin yung cath lab, napakarami na pong nagpa-angiogram at angioplasty. Salamat sa ating mga interventionist, cardio-interventionist o mga doktor natin, nurses and medtech. Dahil napakaraming makina po nun sa loob ng isang operating room na ginagamit ng ating mga medical technician. I'm happy that itong uri ng life-saving procedure, kahit mayaman po, nahihirapan bayaran. Because this will cost you about easily $1 million, sometimes 1.2 million, sometimes 1.5 million. Minsan pagka na, ayoko na magsalita ng private hospital name, but definitely it cost them 3 million pesos. Pero sa Manila, with all the charges, ang grand total, 0. Walang binabayaran. Yan po yung very particular na tagubilin ko sa lahat ng hospital natin. Yes, may kwenta, just for purposes ma-realize ng isang patients or family of patients, how much it costs, the procedure, but at the end of the day, it is paid for by the taxpayers of the city of Manila. Yun po, kagalingan ninyo. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lamang. And this is proof or maraming patunay na kung saan ang inyong pamahalang lungsod ay patuloy na mamumuhunan sa MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. And congratulations, Peso. Palakpakan natin yung mga taga-Peso. Nasaan yung mga taga-Peso? Ayun, squatter nga pala yun doon sa wala pa. But I'd like to congratulate them and commend them, providing opportunity during June 10, yung ating job fair. Napakaraming natanggap na trabaho. And I would like to special mention today, General Santiago and the men and women, officers and non-commissioned policemen of Manila Police District. Congratulations to General Santiago. Last week, we apprehended a total of almost 2 million pesos of drugs in the city of Manila and jailed 3 personality in the city of Manila through the leadership of General Santiago. Palakpakan natin sila at sa po ng ating mga kapulisyan dito sa lungsod. Natutuwa ako dahil mas madalang pa sa pagpatak ng ulan ang nangyayaring hindi magaganda sa Maynila dahil sa visibility. And that's why I have to give also credit to Shanghai Shek, FFCCCII for their donation. Because of those donations that you saw a few weeks ago, and these are now being utilized by our policemen. Especially si General Santiago. Ito lang yata ang general na nakita ko araw-araw nasa kalsada. Hawa-hawa talaga. No? Nakakatuwa naman. I'm happy and proud of you, General Santiago, and to the men and women, uniform personnel and non-uniform personnel of Manila Police District. Again, our Vice Mayor and members of the City Council, we must, and including you, we must continue. At the very least, no? Maging maaliwalas at panatag ang lungsod ng Maynila. Di balik ito'y luma, ngunit hitik naman ito sa kasaysayan at istorya. Sa bawat limon mo sa mansulok ng Maynila, laging may istoryang dala sa buhay ng bawat Manileño at mga Pilipinong dumadako or what you call goes in and out of the city daily. So, the least thing that we can offer to our people on top of the basic policy of the city and program of governance addressing MBN is maging maliwalas, maging panatag ang pamumuhay sa lungsod. At mapagtatagumpayan natin ang kapanatagan kung ang lahat ng chairman, XO, tanod, barangay officials, which is amounting to 30,000 of them all over the city, and all the Manila Police District and other enforcing agency, kapag nagtulong-tulong, acting in synchrony, I think makakamit natin yung kapanatagang gusto nating ialay sa ating mamamayan. Kaya po sa inyong lahat, ay masaya ako, lumililim na, nababawasan na ang init, at sana maging maliwalas itong linggong ito sa ating bansa. Karoon na tayo ng magandang makikita, and we must continue to hope and wish that good things will come to us for our people. And I'd like to take this opportunity, pagpapasensya ninyo ko, paulit-ulit kong ipaalala sa inyo tuwing Lunes. I will do my best in my own little way. But it's like what nasa kanta, but my best wasn't good enough. With your help, ulitin ko I will do my best. Talaga, sukdo lang talupang ko ang lupa. Mairawos, maitawid lang ang mga kababayan natin. Ngunit mas magiging mabisa ang pamahalaang lungsod ng Maynila kung tutulungan ninyo kong paglingkod ng mainam, masinop at episyente sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya, I ask you, please, do your best. Let's do our best in our respective field of undertaking. Sa kanya-kanya natin tinatahak na responsibility. And let God do the rest. Sabi nga. So, mag-wish ako ngayong Lunes. Sana malusog kayo. At si Jess, ihanap nyo na ng girlfriend. Yes. May kachat ka na. Why, improving. Inaabangan namin lahat. Baka akala mo. May kinasal ako ng isang araw, 100. Gusto ko ikaw naman na makita kung isasakal ko. Ay, ikakasal ko. So mag-iingat kayo. Ang wish ko, maging malusog kayo lahat. At mapagtagumpayan ninyo ang mga pagsubok na kinakarap yung personal, sa tahanan, sa trabaho, at sa buhay. Maraming salamat, pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.